Okay, let me explain. It's not very hard. So you start with a library. That is your main container. That's the package where everything is in. That's where all your media is in, all your projects, I will explain later, and all your events, everything is in that one library. So, for example, if you filmed the whole day while enjoying bike riding and you want to make a video of that, boom, call the library a day biking. So from that's where you start. And then in that library, you make events. An event is kind of a folder within that whole library, a folder where you can organize in. So maybe you biked for 3 days. So you can call one event day 1, one event day 2, and one event day 3. So you have organize your days, or maybe you want to organize in another way, but you can use events as folders. And then within that folders, within the events, you can drop all the media, your music, your videos, your photos, your audio, everything. And you can organize it as you want. Oh, and by the way, what's also really important is that in your events, you also put your projects. And your project is basically your timeline. It's where you can do the edit in, where you can make the whole video, where you can make everything come together, the music, the videos, and stuff like that. So you have libraries, then events, and then projects. And projects is where you do the editing in. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in the library of the project that I'm working on right now, that I'm making this video with. So here you see my library here, demo basics. That's the name of the library. And then I have made an event of test footage, but it's a big mess in this whole event, and it's so unorganized. So I can show you now within Final Cut how I do this. So I have a project, I have audio, I have some video, and I have the icons that I just used. So what I can do is this, and I know there are plenty of ways of organize your footage, but I'm just going to show you how you can use it, and you can use it as you like. But so for example, I have icons, so I can make one event. So I go to File, New, and then Event. That is called Icons. And I can drag all the icons to the icons event. I have some music, so I can say, okay, I'm making a new music event, and I drag this music to the music event, and then I'm done with organizing this. So you start with a library, making a new library, and then you make events for organizing. Then you put your media in those events, and then you make a project where you can edit in. So that's how you start working with Final Cut. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have questions, let me know, and see you in the next video. Peace.